Hello everyone, it's me Elvison here from the Vlog Academy, and today we are going to dive into Pinterest. So if you're new to Pinterest, it is a wonderful world of inspiration and images. So of course the first thing you need to do, and I'm going to go through everything, it's just an introduction but just to get you going, but the first thing we need to do is of course to sign up and create an account if you don't have an account. And it's like everywhere else, you just enter your details and keep them safe. But you won't get asked too many questions. You will set your country and a few details, but then you're pretty much ready to go. Let's see what we've got up here. So you've got your user, and because this is all new, you will have to add your image, and you can create your public profile name, and you've got a few account settings here as well, of course. Now the other thing here up here to the right in the corner is a chat box. So once you start following people, you can also inbox them and communicate with them. So I'm going to pop over to my other account, which I've had for a bit longer, and you will see here that you have a stream of people that I'm following and that you can communicate with. So it's just like any other chat box. Now the bell up here is all the updates and events. So it will be what you have done yourself, but it's also about what other people have done. So you can see here that someone has shared one pin, so one image from my mission board session, and everything that goes on will pop up here. So you can see what's popular and what people have done. So if you have a look at my account here, you will see that I've got loads of different boards. Yes, I love Pinterest, and beware, you can get lost for a long time if you don't watch it. But what I do a lot is that I create mood boards. So before a shoot, a photo shoot or video shoot, I might start collecting images that I feel reflect what we want to do. So here you can see it's all about food and mindfulness, if you like, and yoga. So my client has been invited here, who is Annalise, and she can also look at all these images on this board because I've invited her, and she can also add pictures or delete pictures. If she feels that, no, this doesn't really reflect me, she can go in here and edit it and delete it. Are you sure? Yeah, I'm sure. But what we could do is that we can add more images to the board as well. So either if you've started one, you can find some more ideas at the bottom here, and Pinterest will select similar images. So you could go here and you can see if they are along the right feeling, which they're not really. But of course you could go up and you could search. Let's search yoga, for example. So it's just like a search engine, and you will see that it comes up a lot of images. So maybe we like this one, so I'm going to save that, and I just click on the save button, and here you can see that all my options come up, and I wanted to save this to the Annalise board. So I'm going to save it there, and it will land on the board that we just looked at. So it's all really straightforward. Now the cool thing with Pinterest is when it's all set up, and I've got this set up on Chrome so that any other page online on Google I go to. So let's go to my website for Photography for Ease. You can see here, if I go down to an image, this little Pinterest icon comes up, and I can choose to save this. And again, I can save it to a board, or I could create a board here, and it goes over into my so let's create a mission board 2022. Create this board, because so I've now created a board in my profile, and you can see here now that this portrait, you'll see that my mission board appears here with this specific portrait. So anywhere you go, even if it's let's go to BBC just to show you an option, and we'll choose an image, you will see that I could actually save Djokovic to my mission board if I wanted to, which I really don't want to do, but just to show you that that goes through there. So any images here you could add from Pinterest. If I wanted to save this old woman, it's going to be saved here. And then you can do a search, of course, of anything, and it will give you more and more option, and it will also get to know you better and better the more you search, just like Facebook will get to know you and your interests. So again, you can just save anything and you'll see that everything is linked back to the original website. So you're not stealing the images, you are just borrowing them and collecting them under a board. So again, I could save this one here and choose which board I wanted to go to. So we're going to have a look at a few of the other settings. I'm just going to go over to my profile here again, and you can see here that I've got a business account as well. So if you are in a creative industry, if you are a creator, if you have products, if Pinterest seems like a good place for you to sell or get more, create more awareness for your brand, this is a really good place to hang out as well, because you can see the analytics, so you can see how many impressions you've had, and everything like this. So you can set it all up so it works for your business. But get started with your own personal profile for a start, and create the Mission Board 2022 for a start if you are part of my session. So you can see here is my mission board, and what you will do tonight is that you will get a link to this particular board. And if you just go up to the URL, you can share a link. So you get that link, and then you can see my different subcategories here. So you can create these the folders with different interests. So we're going to have a look at magazine covers, for example, and then you can save your these magazine covers to your mission board, a magazine cover that you will create in your board. So when you are on your home page, so to say, you see the plus button here where you can either create a pin or a board. So we're going to go and create this mission board category, and we're going to keep it secret. I don't want to share this right now. So then it will give you us some option to share some images already, but we're not going to do that. So mission board here, and then what you can do is that you can either go and edit the board as such, so you can add description and you can do a few other things there. And then what you can do is also to add collaborators. So you could invite someone by sharing the link, or you could add a name to it. If you look at the bottom here, you will see a plus sign, and this is where you create the sections. So you're still in my Mission Board 2022, but you can add a section. So for example, you could do the magazine cover. And here you can see now that you've got two boards. So you can keep doing this, and you could do portrait. Okay, so now you can go into portraits, and you can see it immediately comes up with portraits. So you could go, for example, for more ideas, and we could add this, and it goes straight into the portrait folder. So if we keep adding some portraits here, you'll now see that in the portrait folder you've got these portraits. You go back here, let's refresh, you've got some portraits and magazine covers. See, it's serving us more ideas. I'm going to add this, and I'm going to add this one. Okay, and then we go back, I'm going to refresh, go to mission board, and you can see that you're building up separate folders with different items in them. So that's as far as we're going to go today, and we're going to have some fun with this at the mission board session. So hopefully you're understanding a bit more about what you do there now. So you'll get my link to my mission board session, and you'll just copy that. So I'll give you that, and then we are going to, when you logged into your account, you will access my mission board session, and you can go into my folders and copy and save this. So you would go and choose your Mission Board 2022 and magazine cover, for example. So that's it. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment box below, of course, and I will see you very soon. Enjoy. Please manage your time. Don't get lost for too long. Bye.